Good day, students. I'm Dr. Rachna Mathur and I'm discussing your novel with you. I'm trying to revise your topics. Students, I would like to advise that prepare your whole syllabus and revise your whole syllabus. Many students who are coming to college are thinking that there will be cut in the syllabus. But my advice to you is that you should prepare the whole syllabus. So I am discussing the assignment of Unit 5, that is the novel. So I'm discussing essay type questions with you, and I would like that you should write your answers in a copy, and I will check your copy at the end of the month. So I am reading the questions to you. Write your answers in 250 to 500 words each, and each question carries 50 marks. So, the first question: comment on the title of the novel Far from the Madding Crowd. So, this is important, and write your own answer. Then, the second is trace the conflict between reason and impulse as portrayed by Thomas Hardy in the novel Far from the Madding Crowd. The third question I'm giving to you is: Hardy is a master of opening scenes. Comment with spatial comment on the remark with special reference to the novel Far from the Madding Crowd. Next is examine carefully the main theme of Far from the Madding Crowd, clearly bringing out the three kinds of love typified in the three lovers of Bathsheba. Next question: each of the three admirers consider her from a different standpoint. Illustrate this statement about Bathsheba. Next question: in Far from the Madding Crowd, eternal fate has withdrawn her hand, and characters are relatively free persons, less bound by destiny and more by their actions. Discuss. Next, what is melodrama? Bring out the melodramatic elements in the plot of novel Far from the Madding Crowd. Write a note on irony of circumstances in the novel Far from the Madding Crowd. Next question: describe the part played by major characters and minor characters in the novel Far from the Madding Crowd. Then write a note on the life philosophy of Hardy. Would you call him a pessimist or a realist? Answer with illustrations. So, this is an important question, and you should comment on this in your own words. Write short notes on all the major characters of Far from the Madding Crowd. This is important because when you will write short notes on all the major characters of Far from the Madding Crowd, it will cover the whole novel and it will be easy for you to learn. So, the important questions or the questions on which you should focus, I have already told: the title, the plot, the major characters, then the pessimistic theory, and Hardy's minor characters also. So, thank you, students. Write in your own words and learn these answers also. Thank you, students.